Sounds busted.
Lift it up and shake it with both hands. Yeah, I bet that was my rattle. Yeah. Dude, it sounded like hell from inside the car. Look at the size difference, too.
Maybe about there. Almost there.
That's not bad at all. We also have those U-bends if you want to just section cut a U-bend.
That's what I was going to try and do.
Yeah.
I wouldn't zoom in too close to the wheels.
It's alright. I mean, I filled, you know, like half-inch gaps too with MIG wire.
I definitely had some 8-inch
Yeah.
gaps.
I mean, if this was a customer car, we'd be doing it the right way, but I just want it to sound good. I don't care how it looks.
Yeah, you're never going to see it.
Yeah. And when people on YouTube hear how good it sounds, they're not going to care how it looks either. Or if they do, tell you what, send us a resume. You better be the best fabricator in the world or you should shut up.
Yeah!
Somebody on one of our Supra posts posted a laugh emoji, and I was like, I guarantee you this guy thinks he's the best welder in the world, isn't going to like pick apart our work. There's always one asshole like that. Like, they never sucked at anything ever. Like, they were instantly born an expert in welding. So I was going to film a sound clip of this exhaust with the factory mufflers and the valves jammed open. But the reason I didn't is because it sounded like shit. I'll just be honest with you, it's not noteworthy. I'm sure if the muffler didn't have a broken baffle on the inside, it would have sounded pretty decent. But, so I got the downpipes I installed on Black Friday. Did a double X pipe because it's supposed to really cut down on resonant frequencies, or at least on the LS400s it does. And I went ahead and added some high flow resonators back in it. And I'm going to put my vibrant mufflers that were on my LS400 on this thing.
Will need to be re-welded if we reuse it.
You mean one that sat on the shelf for a whole year that we never
Yeah.
touched? Yeah. Oh yeah, check out the fresh bandsaw coolant. I'm really glad I used to pay somebody hourly to maintain this. And then I still had to change the coolant myself.
Just to not maintain it.
Yeah. So initially I tried to cut my 2.5-inch bottle resonators out to 3, and yeah, that ain't gonna work. So it was too late. It was too late to return them anyways. So I wasted $80 regardless. Got both the racing daily drivers in the shop.
Hey, don't forget about old Trusty, you know.
Yeah.
We gotta put the big ones on.
Yeah. I just wanted to have this ready because the cold start has like the higher idle speed.
Oh yeah.
That's like when it was really raspy, was like initial cold start.
I never did that.
What?
I never did that.
Did what, the trim?
It goes off.
Why?
I don't work on cars.
Oh. You okay
I
there?
got that on video.
You probably did. They make a carbon fiber, one of those.
I'm sure they do.
Yeah, I want to buy
Probably
one.
what, $800?
No, it's like $200-300.
Oh, that's
It's Chinese carbon fiber, but carbon is carbon, still counts.
It's just 40 enough.
Yeah.